Okay, that's his right next to the tree. And this is mine. And this is one of the person who was here. She's gonna be back. He's gonna be back in like 15 minutes, probably. That's it. That's what it is. Didn't turn out that good, but okay. It's good enough. Because it wasn't supposed to turn out like really good. Anyway, I'm gonna try to catch everything. I'm gonna have it in my hand and try to even get the bullets that are coming towards me. Go!
Wait, are we allowed to record?
No. Okay, I'm getting down, locked and loaded. Hey, you're not allowed out of your forts.
What?
Because that's just stupid. Here's my pillow.
Okay, I'm empty.
Okay, once he refills, we'll be playing. You've probably seen somebody else in the other video, crossbar challenge. Make sure to subscribe. Always subscribe. Okay, there goes Jack. He missed when he came straight up on me. Now he's gonna go to his fort.
No, now I'm actually gonna go get all my bullets.
He even missed when he tried to shoot me. It's actually hilarious. We might do another one after this. We're not sure. Okay. Here he comes.
I'm just using my other clip.
Well, he's using his other clip, apparently. Which one were you using, the big or small? Oh, you were using small. Good. Anyway,
You can't get bullets in.
we're gonna be doing another video after this.
Guys, you didn't do the restriction thing on verification. 15 minutes.
Okay, Jack's gonna tell you what.
We're only able to go up to 15 minutes on his videos. But
For some reason, even though I'm not on their YouTube channel, make sure to check out their YouTube channel, Moses Gaming. It's not cool. I don't know what else to say, but there goes my fort. It's gonna take like 2 seconds to set up, so. We're probably gonna be doing, I don't know, in the next video, but you'll find out once we post it. Okay, there, I fixed the fort. Anyway, here's Jack. Okay, now we're gonna be doing not that sure. Wait a minute. Okay. Here's Jack again.
yeah, I'm trying to get my bullet back down.
Wait a minute. I need to check if he's even there.
This gun sucks.
Because you're not using it right.
Yes, I am.
Now I don't have to look at you. I can just look at the camera.
Won't load.
Bet y'all get it first try.
No, you won't.
Huh?
No, you won't.
Yeah, I will. This video is gonna be 10 minutes long, Jack, so you better hurry up. Because it's already at 5. We're only gonna do one Nerf war because this guy's slow as crap. Okay, we're gonna start now. Let me try it!
No, the bullet's jammed it.
And I'll get it. Okay, this is probably gonna be a video
There, I think I got the suit.
of us getting ready, and then the next video is gonna be part 2, actual war. Okay, we're gonna be posting a video, an actual war, right after we post this one. Bye.